Hey guys, this is Kang. Join me as we have a quick talk about the latest keyboard from the K70 series of Corsair. We have here the Corsair K70 Max. The Corsair K70 Max is the first ever Corsair keyboard that uses the MGX magnetic switches that have adjustable per-key actuation points, partnered with the Corsair Axon technology that will make sure every key press is accurate and fast. Other than that, it also has a dual-point actuation where you can assign 2 actions in one key press to execute combos. Tap-tap. This is good for mobile when casting instant items or skills. Very preferential, so it's up to you. The Corsair K70 Max is also the first Corsair keyboard that I was able to try that has a sound dampening layer for typing acoustics. Still packed with PBT double-shot keycaps and an aluminum frame for that premium build quality. And lastly, you can easily access the media control at the upper right corner of the keyboard layout, and you also have the easy attach memory foam palm rest for comfort during prolonged gaming sessions.